I am Anuradha Gupta here to teach you mathematics. This is your book, New Learning Composite Mathematics of Class 4. Now we will start chapter number 4, Multiplication. In multiplication, we will follow certain rules. Multiplication is actually a repeated addition. हमें जिस भी नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई करना है, the number which we are going to be multiplying, this is called multiplicand, and the number which expresses how often multiplicand is repeated, हमने उस multiplicand को कितनी बार यूज किया है, that number is called multiplier. Okay? जब हम किसी मल्टीप्लिकेंड को मल्टीप्लायर से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, किसी एक नंबर को किसी दूसरे नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, तो द आंसर विल ऑलवेज बी कॉल्ड प्रोडक्ट. ओके, लुक एट दिस एग्जांपल. 125 multiplied by 6. In this case 125 is multiplicand and 6 is multiplier. It means when you are multiplying 125 by 6 you get 750. This is the product. To multiply by the multiples of 10. अगर हमें 10 के मल्टीपल से बेटा मल्टीप्लाई करना है, then first of all find the product of first नॉन जीरो डिजिट्स. जितने भी नॉन जीरो डिजिट हैं पहले हम उनको मल्टीप्लाई कर लेंगे. उसके बाद राइट एज मैनी जीरोज आफ्टर द प्रोडक्ट एज देयर आर जीरोज इन बोथ द फैक्टर्स. लुक एट दिस एग्जाम्पल. 6750 multiply by 1000. First of all we will multiply 675 by 1. You get 675. And how many zeros are on both the sides? There are 4 zeros. 1 in 675 and 3 in 1000. So we have to put 4 zeros in the product. The answer will be 6750000. Okay. Now properties of multiplication. There are certain properties we should follow. Number 1, order property. Two numbers can be multiplied in any order. हम किसी भी ऑर्डर में अगर हम दो नंबर्स को मल्टीप्लाई करें, द प्रोडक्ट विल ऑलवेज रिमेन द सेम. अगर हम दो नंबर्स को किसी तरह से भी लिखें, किसी भी नंबर को पहले लिखें, किसी भी नंबर को बाद में लिखें, हमारा आंसर सेम आएगा इन बोथ द केसेस. Look at this example. 6 multiply 5 is equal to 5 multiply 6. Although we have changed the position of the numbers, but we get the same answer. 30 is equal to 30. In both the cases, answer is 30. Second property, grouping property. The product of 3 or more numbers remains the same. 2 या 3 हमारे पास 3 या 3 से ज़्यादा भी अगर नंबर्स हैं, उनका जो आंसर होगा, उनका जो प्रोडक्ट होगा हमेशा सेम आएगा. इवन इफ वी चेंज द ग्रुप ऑफ नंबर्स, अगर हम उनकी ग्रुपिंग चेंज भी कर दें. लुक एट दिस एग्जाम्पल. 4 multiply 6 multiply 3. These are 3 numbers. If we are multiplying first of all by 4 by 6, then 3, you get the answer 72. In another case, when you are multiplying first of all 6 multiply 3, then 4, again you get the same answer 72. It means in both the cases you get the same answer. Third case, multiplying by 1. If we multiply any number by 1, the product is the number itself. चाहे हमारे पास कोई भी नंबर क्यों ना हो, हमारा आंसर ऑलवेज इन ईच केस, अगर हम उसको 1 से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं तो जिस भी नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं हमारा वही आंसर हुआ. मैंने आपको there are so many example I have given you here. 7 multiply 1 is equal to 7, 18 multiply 1 is equal to 18, 375 multiply 1 is equal to 375. Okay, now fourth, multiplication by 0. If we multiply a number by 0, the product is always 0. हम किसी भी नंबर को अगर 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो हमारा आंसर इन ईच एंड एवरी केस द आंसर विल बी 0. The last property, distributive property of multiplication over addition. Suppose कीजिए हमारे पास एक नंबर है 5 multiply by 17. हमने इसको मल्टीप्लाई किया, we will get 85. हमें 85 प्रोडक्ट मिला. इसको हम अगर हम इसकी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी बना दें, हम 17 को एक एडिशन की फॉर्म में ले लें. 5 multiply 12 plus 5. It means 5 multiply by 12 plus 5 multiply by 5. In this case also, we will get the answer 85. It means these all properties are for multiplication. Multiplication by 3-digit numbers. Suppose you have numbers 324 and the other number is 132. How will we multiply these numbers? First of all, write the numbers at proper places. Means ones, tens, hundreds. First of all, write the first number 324 and then the second number 132. In multiplication, we have to follow certain rules. Rule number 1 means step number 1. First of all, multiply by ones place digit. You will multiply 324 by 2 only in this way. Means ones place digit. When you are multiplying, first of all multiply with ones place number. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Now come to second number, which is on hundreds place. Means when you are multiplying by 3 digits number or 3 or 4 or so many digits, you will multiply by in this way. Now step 2. After multiplying ones place digit, you will follow step number 2. You will multiply then 324 by 30. Okay. For this ones place, you have to put cross here. On ones place, then 324 by 3. 3 4s are 12, 3 2s are 6, 1 carry 7, 3 3s are 9. Now come to hundreds place digit. 324 by 100. It means you have to put 2 cross here. Ones place and tens place and start multiplying. 1 4s are 4, 1 2s are 2, 1 3s are 6. Now add all the products. अब आपको क्या करना है बच्चों, इन तीनों प्रोडक्ट्स को ऐड करना है. कैसे आप ऐड करेंगे? 8 4 6 6 7 13 plus 4 17, 1 carry 9 into 11 1 12 12, 2 here, 1 is carry over, 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. When you are adding 324 by 132, you will get the answer 42,768. Hence, answer is 42,768. Is it clear to all of you, beta? We will continue remaining questions tomorrow. Okay, bye, bachcho. Bye bye.